For decades, the idea of a third world war seemed like a relic of the past, a distant nightmare that belonged to history books and the memories of those who lived through the devastation of the 20th century. The world, it seemed, had learned its lesson from the horrors of the previous world wars, and the threat of another global conflict faded into the background of everyday life. For most people, the concept of world war was more likely to appear as a dramatic plot device in blockbuster movies or best-selling novels than as a real possibility. It was something to be explored on the big screen, not in the headlines. But as of January 2, 2026, that's changed. Suddenly, the world feels different, more fragile, more unpredictable. The sense of security that many took for granted has been shaken. The question of a new world war is no longer a joke or a far-fetched scenario. It's a real concern in homes, newsrooms, and government offices worldwide. People everywhere are asking, what's behind this sudden shift in mood and conversation? The answer isn't simple. It's not one event, but a steady buildup of global pressures, economic instability, political polarization, and the rise of new military technologies. Around the world, societies are feeling the strain. Long-standing alliances are being tested as never before. International laws, once seen as unbreakable, are now openly challenged. The rules that kept the peace for decades are being rewritten in real time. The global order that helped prevent large-scale wars for 70 years is fraying at the edges. Institutions like the United Nations, once symbols of hope and cooperation, now struggle to keep up with the pace of change and conflict. Tensions that once simmered quietly beneath the surface are now boiling over into open conflict. Skirmishes and confrontations that might have been contained in the past are escalating, drawing in more countries and raising the stakes for everyone. Headlines about instability, unrest, and uncertainty are everywhere. People are starting to connect the dots, realizing that these aren't isolated incidents. They're part of a larger, more troubling pattern. The unthinkable is now thinkable. The possibility of a global conflict is no longer just a distant fear. It's a topic of real, urgent discussion. Social media and the internet amplify these anxieties, spreading both information and misinformation at lightning speed. Rumors, speculation, and conspiracy theories mix with real news, making it harder than ever to separate fact from fiction. Prophecies and predictions, once dismissed as superstition or fantasy, are gaining new attention. People are searching for meaning in the chaos, and old warnings suddenly seem eerily relevant. Are we living through a moment that was foretold? That question haunts many, keeping them awake at night as they wonder what the future holds. In this video, we'll explore why 2026 has become a focal point for these fears. We'll examine the world's flashpoints, the regions where tensions are highest, and the factors driving us toward this uncertain future. But we'll also consider whether hope is still possible. Even in the darkest times, history has shown that humanity can find a way forward through resilience, cooperation, and the courage to choose peace. Let's look at the real threats and how we might navigate this uncertain future together, searching for solutions and reasons to hope, even as we face the most daunting challenges of our time. In times of uncertainty, people often turn to prophecy for answers. When the world feels unpredictable, the words of ancient seers can seem to offer a glimpse into what lies ahead. Throughout history, societies have looked to mystics and visionaries, hoping to find meaning or warnings in their cryptic messages. Today, as global tensions rise and headlines grow more alarming, the prophecies of Nostradamus and Vanga are once again capturing the public imagination. Nostradamus, the 16th century French astrologer, wrote hundreds of enigmatic quatrains, four-line poems filled with symbolism and mystery. Many believe that his writings contain predictions about wars, disasters, and upheavals that have echoed through the centuries. Some modern interpreters claim that Nostradamus warned of a massive global conflict in 2026, pointing to his references to fire, darkness, and the shifting balance of power. Phrases like, "Three fires rise from the eastern sides, while the west loses its light in silence," are seen as hints of east-west confrontation or economic collapse. These lines, though open to interpretation, seem to mirror the anxieties of our time. Rising tensions between global superpowers, economic instability, and the fear of sudden catastrophe. Critics call these verses vague, but their alignment with current tensions is hard to ignore. Skeptics argue that Nostradamus's words are so ambiguous that they can be twisted to fit almost any event, yet the parallels with today's headlines continue to spark debate among believers and doubters alike. Vanga, a Bulgarian mystic who lost her sight as a child, also left behind a legacy of predictions. She is said to have foreseen major world events, from the fall of the Soviet Union to natural disasters. Among her most chilling prophecies is a warning of intense political disputes and the potential for World War III in 2026, echoing the fears found in Nostradamus' writings. Her predictions, though broad and sometimes disputed, resonate in today's climate of instability. As protests erupt, markets fluctuate, and world leaders face off intense negotiations, many find themselves wondering if these old prophecies are coming true before our eyes. Whether or not you believe in prophecy, the fact that two famous seers pointed to a period of global turmoil adds to the world's anxiety. Their words, repeated and reinterpreted across generations, serve as a reminder of humanity's enduring fascination with the unknown, and our desire to find patterns in chaos. These prophecies, real or imagined, are fueling the sense of impending crisis. As uncertainty grows, the legends of Nostradamus and Baba Vanga continue to shape our fears and hopes for the future, reminding us that in troubled times the search for answers often leads us back to the mysteries of the past. Prophetic voices aren't just relics of ancient history. Today, they echo in our modern world. One of the most talked about contemporary seers is Brazilian psychic Athos Salomé, often called the living Nostradamus for his bold and specific predictions. Salomé has recently issued a series of urgent warnings for the year 2026, capturing the attention of both the public and global security experts. His forecasts are not vague or mystical. Instead, they are rooted in current geopolitical realities and point to very real, tangible threats on the horizon. Salomé identifies two major global flashpoints that he believes will shape the near future: Africa's volatile Sahel region and the rapidly changing Arctic Circle. These areas, he warns, are on the brink of dramatic upheaval. In the Sahel, the recent withdrawal of Western military forces has created a dangerous power vacuum. This void is now being filled by a mix of terrorist organizations, local warlords, and foreign mercenaries, all vying for control. The region, already plagued by instability, is becoming a breeding ground for conflict, with civilians caught in the crossfire and humanitarian crises worsening by the day. Salomé cautions that the Sahel could soon become a proxy battleground, where global superpowers compete for influence through local actors. The risk of escalation is high, as outside nations funnel resources and weapons into the region, turning it into a chessboard for international rivalry. Meanwhile, in the far north, the Arctic is undergoing a transformation of its own. As climate change accelerates the melting of polar ice, new shipping lanes are opening up, and vast untapped reserves of oil, gas, and minerals are becoming accessible. This has triggered a rush among nations to stake their claims, leading to a rapid military buildup in the region. Russia, in particular, has deployed advanced weaponry and increased its military presence, while NATO has responded with its own expansion and joint exercises. The Arctic, once a symbol of remote isolation, is now a new frontier of tension and strategic competition. Salomé's predictions are stark. He foresees direct confrontations between Russian and NATO forces in the Arctic during the summer of 2026, with the potential for incidents that could spiral out of control. These warnings are not just the stuff of tabloid headlines, they echo real and growing geopolitical trends, making them difficult to ignore for policymakers and the public alike. Whether or not you believe in psychic abilities, Athos Salomé is channeling the anxieties and concerns of defense experts worldwide, highlighting the urgent need for vigilance and diplomacy in an increasingly unpredictable world. The war in Ukraine remains the most immediate threat to global peace. What began in 2022 has become a grinding war of attrition, with no end in sight as 2026 begins. The rejection of a Christmas truce and renewed Russian attacks highlight the conflict's intensity. Every escalation risks drawing NATO directly into the fight. A single miscalculation could trigger Article 5 and a global confrontation. Diplomatic efforts are complicated by shifting politics and deep distrust. Ukraine is now the central point of friction between Russia and the West. As long as the fighting continues, the shadow of a third world war looms over us all. The fate of Ukraine is tied to the security of the entire world. While Ukraine dominates headlines, the Sahel in Africa is quietly becoming a global flashpoint. Military coups, poverty, and climate change have created fertile ground for extremist groups. The withdrawal of Western forces has left a power vacuum, now filled by Russian mercenaries and rival global interests. The Sahel is turning into a chessboard for proxy conflicts between the West, Russia, and China. Proxy wars are unpredictable and can escalate quickly, destabilizing entire regions. For the people of the Sahel, the consequences are devastating. For the world, it's a forgotten front line that could ignite a wider conflict. The Arctic, once a frozen wilderness, is now a hotbed of geopolitical competition. Melting ice is opening new trade routes and access to valuable resources, prompting a military buildup. Russia is asserting dominance, while NATO's expansion with Finland and Sweden has doubled its border with Russia. The region is now a direct standoff between major powers. Predictions of a 2026 confrontation in the Arctic are grounded in these strategic shifts. A dispute over resources or a military miscalculation could spark direct conflict. The Arctic has become a critical chessboard in the 21st century power struggle. The next world war may be fought with code as much as with guns. Modern societies depend on digital networks, making them vulnerable to cyberattacks. An EMP or large-scale cyberattack could cripple infrastructure in seconds. Athos Salomé warns of infrastructure collapse in 2026, echoing real fears among experts. The rise of military AI adds another layer of risk, with nations racing to weaponize artificial intelligence. Even Nostradamus's "West loses its light in silence" is now seen by some as a metaphor for digital or AI-driven disruption. The invisible war for digital supremacy is already underway. As if war and cyber threats weren't enough, a new pandemic threat is emerging. The H5N5 bird flu variant is showing signs of jumping to mammals, and possibly humans. Health officials are racing to develop vaccines before it spreads. A new pandemic, especially amid global tensions, could be catastrophic. It would strain resources, fuel mistrust, and create opportunities for aggressive moves by hostile powers. Disease and conflict are now dangerously intertwined. The world must prepare for both biological and geopolitical threats. With so many threats, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But the future isn't written. Prophecies are interpretations, and crises can spark transformation. Even Nostradamus hinted at renewal after turmoil. Shadows will fall, but the man of light will rise. History shows that intense crises can lead to cooperation and positive change. The threat of destruction could push leaders toward diplomacy. Grassroots movements for peace can gain momentum. The darkest hour is often before the dawn. As individuals, we must resist panic, seek reliable information, and avoid sensationalism. Our greatest strength is our shared humanity and hope for peace. By staying informed and calm, we can help shape a better future, even in uncertain times.